Okay, let's press on with some still with tips for your algebra 2, algebra 1 math, and the SAT math. Okay, let's deal with some absolute value equation and some inequalities. All right, suppose you have this here question to solve. 4 times the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 12. What's the value of x? How do you solve it? The first thing you do is you get rid of the 4. So you have absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 3. What is the meaning of this? It means you have x minus 2, the positive value is equal to 3, and you have also the negative of x minus 2 is also equal to 3. All right? So that's what you're going to solve. You solve this, which means here x is equal to 5, right? And then the negative of this is also equal to 3, right? If you divide through by negative 1, you get x minus 2 is equal to negative 3. And then when you solve it, x equals, so that those are your solutions. Okay. All right. So when we do the absolute value of a number, right, we are dealing with the non-negative numbers. Right. So if you travel east, if you go west, negative 3, okay, west 3 miles, and we denote that as negative 3. And if you go 3 miles east, right, and we denote it as positive 3, we distance is just a distance. So we are concerned with the absolute value of the distance you travel is 3. So when we put the bars around it, we are concerned with the non-negative numbers. Okay, so here we have absolute value of x minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 0. Solve for x. Okay, so how do we begin solving this, right? We say absolute value of x minus 3 plus 8 equals 0. We begin by subtracting 8. So absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to negative 8. Okay, the moment you have this here, absolute value equals a negative number, right? Stop. It's not possible. Okay, it's not possible. So there is no such value. You stop. So try this one right here. Your turn. Try this. What do you think your answer is? Okay, for what value of k is the absolute value of k minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0? It's 0, 3, 4, or there is no such value of k. That's the right answer. Okay, D is the right answer. Okay, what about this one here? Which of the following numbers is not a solution to the inequality? For x minus 3 greater than or equal to 5x minus 1. Okay, so we solve this like one variable equations with variables on both sides. So what do? We added 3 to both sides. We subtracted 5x, so we grouped our variable to the left, and we group. So we have negative x is greater than or equal to, negative x is greater than or equal to 2, right? But we are interested in x, so we divide through by negative 1. So you have x, and inequalities, when you divide through by a negative number or multiply by negative, then the sign reverses. So we have x less than or equal to negative 2. So which of the following is not a solution, right? So if you have 0, this is 0, and you have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. Because so with negative numbers, these numbers they're reducing going to the left, increasing going to the right. So even though 4 is greater than 3, negative 4 is less than negative 3. So our solution is x should be less than or equal to negative 2. So which of them is not a solution? Okay, all numbers in this solution must be less than or equal to negative. Which number is not less than or equal to negative 2? And your answer is A. You got that tip? Okay. All right. So more will be coming. Pause it. Do what I've done here. All right. Make sure you understand this very well. All right. Keep on practicing and all things being equal, what do I keep telling you? You shall bloom. You have a good day. Bye bye.